YouTube, welcome back. Quick update on the shop. The electrical is almost done. All I have left is this switch box right there. That switch box is going to be outside lights on my east wall and my west wall. The west side of the shop is where I will be parking trailers. The east side is just strictly lights for my kids to play in the yard. I have a sub panel in the back right there that you can see. That's a 100 amp panel. It was actually a lot cheaper to run a second service panel or a sub panel in the building than it was to run 3 welder outlets back there individually. Just based off the prices of copper right now, for me to run the 3 welder outlets that I wanted back there would have been right around $1,000. It cost me $280 to buy another panel, run the service entrance cable back there, and put a whole separate panel in. So saved about $500 to $700 having that ran instead of running copper back there. I didn't really want a second panel, but just the savings alone, because I'm way over budget, was worth it. So anyways, later today I'm gonna be ready to start insulating the rest of these 3 walls and sheet them. And then maybe next Monday I'll be spraying inside the shop. I won't be doing any of the roof insulation or the gable insulation this year. I'm 12 to 13% over budget, which is has me basically on starvation mode. So I got to finish building shelves and stuff, so I needed to save some money for that. So anyways, it does get really hot, so I have a little swamp cooler in here, and then you can barely see fans in that back window. Thanks for keeping up with me. Like, comment, subscribe, ask questions, tell me what I did right, tell me what I did wrong. Anyways, thanks for watching.